In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change an image inside a component on Figma. Start by opening your design file and navigating to the frame or page where your component instance lives. Zoom in so you can clearly see the image you plan to update. The goal here is to select the image layer itself, not the whole component. If you click once and the entire instance is highlighted, that means you are still on the outer wrapper. Double-click into the instance until the specific image layer is selected. You'll know you've got it when the right-hand properties panel shows a fill section with an image thumbnail. If you prefer, you can also confirm the selection from the Layers panel by clicking directly on the image layer there. With the image layer selected, look to the Fill section on the right. You'll see a small thumbnail preview of the current image. Click that thumbnail to open the Image Properties menu. This is where you'll manage the actual file that fills your layer. Hover over the existing image preview and choose Upload from Computer, or a similar option like Choose Image. This will open your file browser. Pick the new image you want to use and confirm. Figma will immediately replace the current image while preserving the frame, corner radius, and position of the layer inside your component. Your constraints, auto layout spacing, and overall component structure remain intact, so nothing shifts unexpectedly across variants or breakpoints. Now fine-tune how the new image sits within its frame. In the same Fill Settings panel, use the drop-down to choose between Fill, Fit, Crop, or Tile. Fill scales the image to cover the frame completely, which is great for thumbnails and hero visuals, though it may crop edges. Fit ensures the entire image is visible, maintaining its aspect ratio, which can leave empty space. Crop lets you control exactly what portion of the image shows. Click Crop. Then drag the image within the frame and adjust the zoom to center important content like faces or product details. Tile repeats the image and is most useful for patterns or subtle backgrounds. Take a moment to review at 100% zoom to catch any blurriness or unintended cropping. If the image looks soft, try a higher resolution source. When everything appears aligned and consistent with the rest of your design system, you are done. Thanks for watching.